In the previous video, we looked at how reporting of a particular execution takes place. In this video, we'll go over the historical analysis of executions and how executing multiple datasets impacts the analysis graphs. Head to the Reports tab of the app website. This shows you the execution count report, which displays the count of the executions over the specified time period. A filter of execution type is provided for the report. By default, it displays single dataset executions, which includes individual executions with no single or default datasets, and those that were part of an execution containing multiple datasets. If you wish to see the executions with multiple datasets, select Multiple Datasets from the Execution Type filter. Clicking the bar in the graph takes you to the executions list, which displays the executions based on the filters that were applied. The executions that belonged or part of a multiple dataset run can be differentiated by a partially filled stacked disk icon. To view the execution time graph, open the execution time graph from the Select Report drop-down. This will show you time taken for test to execute individually irrespective of the dataset it ran with.